Good Wednesday morning, everyone. Doing things a little differently this morning, starting out with radar, as we see a line of very strong storms pushing through the Nashville area this morning. This was taken at about 7:25 this morning. I know this takes a little time to record and get out, but you get my drift. It's moving east, and some of these storms could pack a punch even as they come across the Cumberland Plateau. I should emphasize that these storms are expected to weaken as they move across Middle Tennessee. Our atmosphere is much more stable over here on the plateau than it is back over toward Nashville. Nevertheless, an isolated strong to severe thunderstorm is certainly possible. You see those yellow shaded counties up in Kentucky, that's a tornado watch. So that is just north of you folks in Fentress County. So if we have a risk for a spin up tornado, it would be greatest from Jamestown north. So, and that risk is very low, but it's not zero. So it's something that I'll definitely keep an eye on. That red outline you see there on the radar, that's always drawn by the Storm Prediction Center when they issue a special discussion. And they're just saying that, strong to severe thunderstorms possible within that area, and that a brief spin up is not out of the question, but they do not anticipate issuing any watches for Middle Tennessee at this time. But that doesn't mean we can't have a warning now and again. Look at our 5-day forecast brought to you by Clearview Closet and Blind. 100% chance for rain and storms this morning. Temperatures in the 60s this morning. But as soon as that front goes through, we're going to drop quickly into the 30s. You might even see a snowflake or a sleet pellet. And then by tonight, we're dropping into the 20s, the low 20s, and continued breezy. So the winds will die down later on this afternoon into the evening, but my goodness, that's going to be a heck of a temperature change. And those very gusty winds, especially ahead of the front, south 15 to 25 gusts to 40 behind the front. They'll be north 10 to 15 gusts to 20 or so. Now tomorrow, partly cloudy, highs only in the 40s. And then Friday, a rainy day. Light rain event moves in, widespread light rain, highs only in the mid 40s. What a day, right? Southeast winds 10 to 15 gusts to 20. That's a rough one. Saturday, mostly cloudy, but highs around 60. And then Sunday, partly cloudy, highs in the mid to upper 60s. So temperatures rebound quite quickly. Looking at our premier generators, severe weather threat graphic, again, that very low risk of a tornado spin up, especially for you folks across Fentress County. And then straight line winds is the threat for us all, just because it's already so windy. It's not going to take much of a strong storm to push down a severe wind gust. So I'll be tracking it all this morning. I'll be keeping you updated on Facebook and at the blog, meteorologistmark.com, and on the Meteorologist Mark app that you can download for free. You just keep it right here to meteorologistmark.com.